Hi everybody, boys and girls, how are you? How are you doing today? So we will finish our lesson, topic 14.5, which is about draw conclusion from the graph. So we are using our data and our information to find out the conclusion or our answer for our questions by understanding the data that we are using. So today we will take page 829, 830, and we will be finishing topic 14 by the ending of this lesson. So today we will start from page 829. Everybody follow me. So use the bar graph to solve the problem. So we already have this bar graph and it is very clear, and it is about absence of school. So boys and girls are absent for many reasons. So they have how many students are absent, and here we have the days of the week. So how many students in all were absent on Tuesday and Thursday? So they already have the bar here showing Monday, how many students Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. They want us to find how many students in all were absent on Tuesday and Thursday. And remember, boys and girls, when we say how many in all, we always do addition, plus. So Tuesday, let's see, Tuesday, there is here the date, the day, and here is the number. So line up the end of the bar with the number. So we have 2 students absent on Tuesday, and we have, this is Thursday. Thursday, we have 4 students absent. Then 4 on Thursday and 2 on Tuesday. We will end with total of 6 students absent in these 2 days. So 4 and 2 equal 6. Then our answer will be 6. Okay, so this is how we're using our data to draw a conclusion. So were fewer students absent on Monday or Friday? So which one is fewer? Our question means which day has fewer number of students absent, Monday or Friday? Let's see Monday. Monday we have 5 students absent, and on Friday we have 6 students absent. Then which one is fewer, Monday or Friday? If you look just for the drawing, you will see Monday is fewer than Friday. How many fewer? So this is 5 and this is 6. That means 6 minus 5 equal 1. There is only 1 fewer. So we will write down the day is Monday. So Monday is the fewer. And how many fewer? So only 1 fewer than, so 1 fewer than Friday. Okay? So Monday is the fewest day and it is only 1 fewer than Friday. So the next question said 3 of the students absent on Friday were boys. Okay? So the absent here on Friday, which is 6, total of 6, 3 of them were boys. So how many girls were absent? So if I have total of 6 absent, 60 students absent, and 3 of them were boys, how many girls? So it's gonna be 6 minus, so we can write the equation, 6 minus 3 boys equal 3 girls. Then we have only 3 girls also absent. So same number, 3 boys and 3 girls absent on Friday. Let's see number 6. On which 2 days were the same number of students absent? So if you look just for the drawing, so you will see 2 days that have an equal and the same number. So Monday and Wednesday, because both of them has 5 and 5. So we will write down Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so you can just write it W-E-D, Wednesday. Okay, so number 7 said, were more students absent on Wednesday or Thursday? So the same question. So here, were more. Here, instead of fewer, we use more. So which one is more, Wednesday or Thursday? Let's see. Wednesday has 5 and Thursday has 4. So which one is more, Thursday or Wednesday? So when you look, there is one more here. That means Wednesday is more and it has one more than Thursday. Then we will write down W-E-D for Wednesday, and it is one more than Thursday. So Wednesday has one more than Thursday. Okay, so let's go to number 8. And they said, the graph shows the number of students absent last week. So these are the students absent last week. And this week, there is 19 students were absent. Compare the number of students absent this week to the number of students absent last week. This is how we draw conclusion from our information. We know that this is the number of students were absent on this week and the last week, and then this week we have 19 students. Then how we compare this? We have to add all these days together. So on Monday we have 5, then we will put 5 plus. On Tuesday we have only 2 plus 2, and on Wednesday we have 5, so plus 5 again. Then on Thursday I have 4, then plus 4, and on Friday I have 6. So when you add, you can find that if you can make it easier, add the 6 and 4 equal 10, and add the 5 and 5 equal 10, and then you have 10 and 10 and 2 equal, so 10 and 10 and 2 equal 22. Then I know that the last week I have 22 students absent, and this week they said 19. So last week more students were absent than this week. So because 22 is greater than the 19, that means this last week there is more students absent than this week. How many more? I can find the difference. So between 19 and 22, which is only 3. So there is 3 more students absent last week than this week. Okay, so this is how we draw conclusion out of our information, our data. Okay, turn the page to page 830. So 830, and let's do number 9. So number 9 said, complete each sentence. So here we have animals on a farm, and this is the number of animals, and this is the cows, horses, and goats and sheep. So how many? We will see what is the question. So complete each sentence. So the farm has, so let's see, they said cows. So I have to go and find the number of cows. So here, so this is the cows, and the number will be the ending of the bar. So the cow end at 5, that means I have 5 cows. And how many horses? Let's go and see how many horses. So there is only, so look at the end of the bar, end with 3, that means I have 3 horses. Okay. Then the farm has how many goats? So let's see here. So up to 8. That means ending with 8. That means I have 8 goats. So I have 8 goats. And how many sheep? Let's see. So here ending at 2, then I have only 2 sheep. So when I look at the data, I can find out my information. Now they said number 10, the sheep and the goat are kept in the same pen. So how many farm animals are in that pen? So we have to add, they said the sheep and goat are in the same, they are living in the same house. So how many in that house? So let's see how many goat. We said we have 8 goats and we have 2 sheep. That means we're gonna add, so our question is about sheep and we have 2. We can write equation 2 plus 8 goats. Then I have 10 living in that pen. Okay, so let's go and see number 11. Suppose 3 new babies goat are born. So if the goat, they are 8, if they born, they have born 3 more babies. So then how many goats will be in the farmer? So if I have here 8 goat and there is 3 new babies, then how many will have? So we can write equation. We have 8 goats and then we have 3 newborn babies. Then 8 plus 3 equal 11. Then we will have 11. So how many fewer horses than cows are on the farm? So the cows are 5 and the horses are 3. Then we can write equation. So 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then how many fewer horses than cows? The answer will be 2 because 3 horses and 5 cow. So 2 less than the cow. And write the order of animals on the farm from the greatest. So the greatest, that means the biggest number. That one has the highest number. And to the least number. So write animals. So first, which one is the bigger one? So if you look at here, so you see the goat has the most number, then we will write the goat first because the goat has the most number. Then when you look again, you will see the cow come next. So cows. And when you look back, so you will see the horses more than the sheep. So we write horses. And then at the end, we will put the sheep because the sheep has only 2, which are the fewest number. So right here, sheep. So the sheep has the fewest number and the goat has the biggest number. So let's go to number 14. Do you think the bars on a bar graph should all be the same color? So do you think the bars on bar graph should all be in the same color? Why? So we can do the same color or we can, so like this one, they using the same color. And if they use different color, that will make it easier. I can say different color because it could be, so do you think the bars on a bar graph should be the same color? Explain. So I can say yes or no. It depends on you. So I can say yes or I can say no. So if yes, because I can just look, I can find the difference, but if I said no, then it can be easier. So easier. So when I do it, different color, then I can compare the colors, can help me. Then I can say green is more than yellow, and yellow is less than red, and red is more the most. So a different color can be more help. So the farmer wants to buy some sheep. He wants to have as many sheep as cow. How many more sheep should the farmer buy? So the farmer decided to buy more sheep. and he wants the number of sheep to be the same as the number of cow. So I have 2 sheep and I have 5 cows. So how many more of sheep he needs to make this number equal? So this is 2 and this is 5. So we can do the equation. 5 minus 2 equal 3, is then he need to buy more 3 sheep to have the same number of sheep and cow. So he should buy 3 more sheep to make the same number as cow. So by this we will be finishing lesson 14.5 and also finish the whole topic, and we will do a revision later. So I want you to go and do your homework, page 831, 832, and I will meet you in the discussion room. If you have any questions or any problems, I will be happy to help you, boys and girls. I miss you so much. Bye. See you later.